art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Sprout from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with the center of the hair, and we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right. To the right of this, we're going to arch this line around, back in. And then on the left-hand side, just moving further up, we're going to curve this line back around and then down. In the center now, as you move up, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. And then to the right of this, just again, curving this line all the way around and then down on the side. Let's move underneath and draw on our eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for our left eye. And then we're going to move across, and on the right-hand side, we're going to replicate that again. As we move in towards the center, we're going to draw in another circle for the pupil of the eye. For the cheeks, moving underneath our eye, we're going to draw in a half circle. On the top, we're going to draw in two small circles, one on the left and then one on the right. And then now as we move down in the middle, we're going to draw in another circle in the center. Now let's draw in the mouth in the middle. So we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then we're just going to replicate that on the right, arching this line back around and then in on the bottom. On the left-hand side, let's draw a diagonal line that comes up. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right. Now let's draw in our head. So on the top left, we're going to curve this line out and then down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve in the side of the head. So we're going to arch this line around, bringing that in just below our mouth. And then we're going to close off the bottom of the head now with a small curved line from left to right. Now for the scarf, we're going to draw in a small curved line dropping down. And then from that point in the middle, just another curved line coming down towards the bottom. Now from here, we're going to close this off, curving this line all the way up and over. In the middle now, we're going to curve these lines out in opposite directions. We're going to curve this line back out, following the direction of the line in the center. And then we're going to do that again. And now one last time as we come out towards the side. Now for the torso, we're going to just draw in a nice big arch line, creating the letter U. For our arms, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on the top. And then coming out from the torso, we're going to replicate that, ending that at the same distance. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then closing off the rest of the hand, just arching this line around and then down. Now on the inside for the legs, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. For the bottom of the foot, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. And now as we move over towards the outside again, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes up. Now let's draw on the scarf on the left-hand side. So underneath, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then from this corner, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes down towards the arm. Underneath, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines. And that is it. That's how you draw Sprout from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.